Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. Third standard ICSE English revision. So this is English revision. So exam is coming now, children, for you. So this is revision for you. Revision paper number 1. First main, write the meanings. First one, arrived, came, C-A-M-E, came. Second one, decreased, recently, dead, R-E-C-E-N-T-L-Y, recently, D-E-A-D, dead. Third one, slender, T-H-I-N, thin. Fourth one, merchant, trader, T-R-A-D-E-R, trader. Fifth one, gold bars, minted gold, M-I-N-T-E-D, minted, G-O-L-D, gold. Now second main, write the rhyming words. First one, sick, kick, K-I-C-K, kick. Second one, dinner, winner, W-I-N-N-E-R, winner. Third one, blow, grow, G-R-O-W, grow. Fourth one, long, song, S-O-N-G, song. Fifth one, never, ever, E-V-E-R, ever. Sixth one, said, dead, D-E-A-D, dead. Next, third main, write the opposites. First one, village, town, T-O-W-N, town. Second one, nice, rough, R-O-U-G-H, rough. Third one, huge, tiny, T-I-N-Y, tiny. Fourth one, rest, busy, B-U-S-Y, busy. Fifth one, sit, stand. Sixth one, crisp, soft, S-O-F-T, soft. So, this is the opposite. Now, next main, write the plurals. First one, mango, mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Second, crop, crops, C-R-O-P-E-S, crops. Tooth, teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Army, armies, A-R-M-I-E-S, armies. Lady, ladies, L-A-D-I-E-S, ladies. Life, lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives. Okay, children, so these are the plurals. Once again, I am going to read mango, mangoes, crop, crops. Third one, tooth, teeth. Fourth one, army, armies. Fifth one, lady, ladies. Sixth one, life, lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives. Now next one, fill in the blanks. First one, the farmer grows dash. So in the dash you must write crop, C-R-O-P, crop. Second one, dash hated Mohan. So in the dash you must write Sohan, S-O-H-A-N, Sohan. Third one, Mohan was a good-natured dash. So in the dash you must write person, P-E-R-S-O-N, person. Fourth one, dash realized this mistake. So in the dash you must write Sohan, S-O-H-A-N, Sohan. Fifth one, Mary sat by the dash. So in the dash you must write C-A-G-E, cage. Sixth one, the merchant taught a dash to his friend. So in the dash you must write lesson, L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now next we rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. So the words are mixed here. You must arrange properly and you must write the correct sentence. Zoo the in we saw wolves. So the correct sentence is we saw wolves in the zoo. Second one, eats lion flesh. Lion eats flesh. Third one, killed the lion, the lamb. The lion killed the lamb. Fourth one, X lays hen the. Answer, the hen lays eggs. Now next main, make the compound words. First one, grand plus father, grandfather. So spellings will be there only. Only you must take out plus that one and write full that one. Grandfather. Second one, step plus son, stepsons. Third one, lookers plus on, lookers on. Fourth one, room plus mate, roommate. Fifth one, son plus in-law, son-in-law. Next main, write sentence of your own. First one, glad. I was glad to see my grandmother. I, W-S, was really glad. T-O-2, S-E-C-M-Y, my, G-R-A-N-D, M-O-T-H, your grandmother. W-H-E-N, when, I, W-E-N-T, went. T-O-2, M-Y, my, H-O-U-S-E, house. Second one, lonely. L-O-N, lonely. TH DOG dog, WAS was, SITTIN sitting, LONE LY lonely, UNDER under, ATABLE table. Third one, trouble. We should not create trouble for others. WESHOULD should, NOT not, CREATE create, TROUBLE trouble, FOR for, OTHERS others. Next main, answer the following. Whom did the poet meet on his way? Answer. The poet met a man, horse, woman, rabbit and puppy on his way. TH the POET poet, MET met, AMAN man, HORSE horse, WOMAN woman, RABBIT rabbit, and PUPPY puppy, on HIS is WAY way. Now second one, name the tree mentioned in the story. So answer is apple tree was mentioned in the story. APP apple, APPLE apple, TRE tree, WIS was, MENTIONED mentioned, INNTH the STORY story. Third one, where is the owl? Answer. The owl is in the ivy bush. TH the OWL owl, IS is INNTH the IVBUSH bush. Fourth one, who shakes his little tail? Answer. The rabbit shakes his little tail. TH the RABBIT rabbit, SHAKES shakes, HIS his, LITTLE little, TAIL tail. Next fifth one, what did the rich man want to do? Answer. The rich man wanted to take a long trip. TH the RICH rich, MAN man, WANTED wanted, TO2 TAKE take, ALONG long, TRIP trip. Next main, write the poem My Canary. Crumbs of bread and dainty seeds she carried to him daily. Seeking for the olive weeds, she decked his palace gaily. So this poem is in your textbook also. So if you can't understand, so please see the textbook and practice. CRUMBS crumbs, OF of BRED bread, ANDAINTY dainty, SEEDS seeds, SH she, CARRID carried, TO2 HIM him, DAILY daily, SEEKING seeking, FOR for, TH the EARLY early, WEEDS weeds, SH she, DECKED decked, HIS is PALACE palace, GAILY gaily. Okay children? Any doubt children? I think you could have understood this revision. So this is revision number 1. Okay children? Any doubt children? So please don't write this revision in the classwork. You please write in the rough note. Practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times, because this is exam revision we are sending. Okay children? Thank you.